Are you looking for the best food thermos? In this video we will look at some of the best food thermos on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Thermostore Blue Fondner 10-ounce Food Jar. Highlighted features: 10 ounces blue food jar with an extra wide mouth. This is BPA-free and made from stainless steel for durability. Able to keep foods cold for 7 hours or hot for 5. Has a 5-year limited warranty. With a durable stainless steel construction, the Thermos Funtainer 10 ounces Food Jar, Blue, is able to keep hot for 5 hours or cold for 7. This thermos is free from BPA and has an extra wide mouth for easy filling and eating from. Although some consider this thermos a little large for smaller family members, the vacuum technology creates an air vacuum between the double-walled food jar. Air is a poor conductor of heat and deters heat loss via convection. The stainless steel construction on the interior and exterior make the food jar durable. Therefore, this jar easily withstands falls and everyday use. It has a wide mouth which makes it easy to fill and clean the food jar. It keeps food cold for about 7 hours and hot for 5 hours. It is, therefore, ideal for use by kids. It is dishwasher safe and also BPA free, hence safe and healthy for use by kids. A number of owners have also complained that this does not keep food hot for as long as expected, which may cause problems for school lunches. This comes with a 5-year limited warranty from the manufacturer, and although dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended. Pros: 10 ounces food jar, durable stainless steel, BPA free, extra wide mouth, 5-year limited warranty. Cons: its capacity could be too large for younger kids. Number 2, Thermos Stainless King 16-ounce Food Jar with Folding Spoon. A compact and lightweight stainless steel soup thermos by Thermos is the perfect choice for lunch at the office, school or on the go. The best choice for those who really care about their health and nutrition. A wide throat allows you to use a thermos for any dishes. Food is kept fresh and at the right temperature for a long time, 14 hours, warm, 24 hours, cold. A double lid helps to avoid difficulties when opening a thermos with hot food inside. The collapsible design and wide neck allow you to eat comfortably and easily wash the thermos. However, this thermos vacuum features insulation that creates an airless space between the two Thermax double vacuum walls. Air is a poor conductor of heat, and this space eliminates the risk of temperature change or convectional heat transfer. Therefore, your drink remains steaming hot or cold no matter the weather. It has a 16-ounce capacity. This food jar has an attractive design thanks to the use of stainless steel on the inside and outside. The stainless steel construction is also responsible for the durability of the food jar. It comes with a telescopic stainless steel spoon, and you don't have to carry any other utensils with you. Key features: 5-year limited warranty, 16-ounce food jar, 6 color options. Pros: cool touch even with hot food, folding spoon included, long warranty. Cons: exterior coating might be peeled. It's better to wash it by hand. Number 3, Zojirushi Food Jar, 25 ounce. Highlighted features: wide neck pink 16.9 ounces food jar made from 18/8 stainless steel, has a non-stick inner lining which is free from BPA and taste, smell neutral. The dimpled lid is vented to allow you to release pressure before opening it properly. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, the Zojirushi SWE50PS 16.9 ounces food jar, pink, also has a non-stick BPA-free inner coating which is neutral to smell and taste. The lid includes a vent so that you can release the pressure inside the jar before opening, and its wide 2.5 inches neck makes it easy to fill and eat straight out of. The lid also contains dimples for easier opening. This food jar may not keep food hot for as long as expected in all cases, and even with careful washing, water may leak into the vacuum space between the two flasks. This jar should also always be kept upright to prevent food from leaking. This is achieved thanks to a special universal cork, which is made of durable plastic, is easily disassembled for washing, and, having additional thermal insulation, allows the thermos to keep heat longer. Just like the Stanley Classic vacuum bottle, its lid can also be used as a cup, so it is perfect for going hiking and enjoying some coffee with a natural view. Pros: 16.9 ounces pink food jar, stainless steel, non-stick lining, BPA-free, pressure vent. Cons: may not keep food as hot as expected. Number 4, Thermos Stainless King 24-ounce food jar. Our pick for the best hot food thermos is from the brand that has long been known for their food storage products. Thermos has been making great storage and containers that keep foods hot and cold for years. It's no surprise that our top pick would be from this great company. This thermos is made from double-walled stainless steel for outstanding heat and cold retention. Even when filled with hot soup or coffee, this thermos is cool to the touch, and when filled with cold foods, it won't sweat. Even on the hottest days, the thermos vacuum insulation technology tightly seals the container, which allows it to maintain heat, or cold, for a really long time. We found that this thermos was pretty durable, and didn't dent as easily as some other products when dropped. We liked that this thermos comes in basic black or red, so there were a ton of colors to pick from. 24 ounces was more than enough room for a good cup of soup, or soup to share. We also really like that this thermos also has an insulated bowl that fits on top, so you don't have to figure out how to eat directly from the thermos. Pros: good large capacity, durable steel interior and exterior, good choice of colors. Top rack dishwasher safe. Cons: the plastic inner lid retains food odors. Wrapping up, you really can't go wrong when you buy a food storage container from Thermos. This 24-ounce hot food thermos is a great way to take a hot meal on the go, or just enjoy a hot cup of coffee on the road. It's a great combination of function and convenience. Number 5, Stanley Classic Legendary Vacuum Insulated Food Jar 24 ounces. The Stanley thermos consists of a housing and an inner bulb between which there is a vacuum, so thermoses of a similar design are called vacuum. The body and inner flask are made of food-grade stainless steel 18/8. This type of steel has high anti-corrosion properties, strength, and deprives the metal of magnetic properties. Due to this, when interacting with acids and alkalis contained in products, chemical reactions do not occur and no harmful substances threaten human health. The durable materials help keep this option rugged and resistant to the standard bangs and bumps you'll get during a busy day. Meanwhile, the double lid helps to resist any leaks by adding 2 layers of protection, as well as providing you with a bowl from which to eat, should you require it. However, it didn't affect how the product performed. Was just a little unpleasant nuisance. There's a lifetime warranty for this product, in case you wonder, which makes it practically risk-free. Key features: keeps hot and cold for 12 hours. 17-ounce capacity, doesn't leak. Lifetime warranty. Cup can be a bowl. Pros: serving bowl. Medium capacity, lifetime warranty. BPA-free. Cons: plastic lid is fragile. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.